Hi students, welcome to the Shorthand Hub channel. This is Hari Naganand Idmudi, instructor of Shorthand. For all Shorthand grades, I am offering general and legal dictations. For this Shorthand subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. This dictation passage link and other crucial links are given in the description box. Get ready for the dictation on the topic of Karnataka to scrap anti-conversion law. Get ready, 1, 2, 3, start. The Congress government led by Siddaramaiah has decided to scrap the law against religious conversion, keeping its poll promise of reviewing and, if necessary, scrapping all the laws made by the previous BJP government in Karnataka. The government will introduce a bill to repeal the amendments to the anti-conversion law in the upcoming State Assembly session, which starts on July 3. The Cabinet discussed the anti-conversion bill. We have approved the bill to repeal the changes that were brought in by them, the BJP government, in 2022. It will be tabled during the session starting July 3. Third, Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister told reporters after the cabinet meeting, "We are bringing in a bill to repeal the amendments to the Karnataka Protection of Rights to Freedom of Religion Bill 2022 anti-conversion law initiated by the previous BJP government to see that the spirit of the constitution is fully implemented," the minister said. Karnataka's anti-conversion law came into effect in 2022 despite opposition from the Congress. The Act provides for the protection of the right to freedom of religion and the prohibition of unlawful conversion from one religion to another by misrepresentation, force, undue influence, and force or any other fraudulent means. The law became a spark point between the BJP and the Congress. The Congress contended that it was a tool for harassment of minorities. The matter even went to court, where Christian organizations argued that the new law violated the religious freedom guaranteed by the Constitution. The Congress had vehemently opposed the bill, calling it anti-people, inhuman, anti-constitutional, anti-poor. The party urged the then BJP government in Karnataka that it should not be passed and that the government should withdraw it. The JDS too had expressed its opposition to the bill. At a briefing after the meeting, he said the cabinet has decided to remove the chapters, and the chapters were added last year. The BJP reacted sharply to the Congress government's decision on Thursday to repeal the anti-conversion law brought in by its regime in Karnataka. Minister for APMC said the cabinet has approved amendments to the 4 laws of the APMC that were brought by the Union government 3 years back. He said the amendments did not fulfill their purpose, such as providing better prices for produce. Markets have also suffered losses after the amendments came into effect. Besides, the cabinet also authorized the chief minister to appoint 3 official members to the Karnataka Public Service Commission. After initiating the registration for the Gruha Lakshmi scheme to provide rupees 2000 monthly for female members of a family that was scheduled to start from Friday onwards. Minister for Women and Child Welfare announced on Thursday that the process will be delayed by about 5 days in order to make the registration process people friendly. Stop. If you want to get more updates, please subscribe our channel. If you really feel that this dictation can help you in the competitive exams, please click the like button, share the video and make a comment. We are also making this passage available to you in 80, 100, 120 and 150 words per minute. For this short-term subject, I am conducting both online and offline classes for the students. Those who want to join the Telegram group can join through the link given in the description box. Small note: grammar, contractions, special contractions, advanced phrases and special list of words needs to be written once in every 15 days, and then only you will get a better speed in stenography. Thank you.